Here is a short video to show you how the steering was installed on the 4Runner. Here is the reservoir, which goes down to the steering pump. I have the check valve here. Coming out of the check valve, we come all the way over and go down to the orbital. You can also see the fuse box has been moved. Air filter changed, since the stock air box, of course, does not fit. Now coming back over here, here is the orbital. The lines are currently routed from here, coming from above. Then of course, we have the ram down here, which at the moment has been disconnected. But a very nice installation for the steering.